Gentlewoman's recognized for 2 minutes.
I think sometimes it's helpful to get into the nitty-gritty of legislation. This bill changes the law that exists today and reduces protection for immigrant women in key ways. Let me just talk about one of the ways. If you are an immigrant temporarily here or even without your documents, and you are a victim of domestic violence, and the police want to keep you here because you're a witness or they need your help in a prosecution, the police can obtain what's called a U visa, so you get to stay here. That's in the current law. It was bipartisan. It was done in the year 2000. This bill changes that in important ways. Under current law, if you are a U visa holder, you have the possibility of applying for a permanent visa. Why is that important? Because otherwise, if you come forward to cooperate with the police, you could be voluntarily deporting yourself and being separated from your children. And that is a deterrent to people coming forward to work with the police. That's why it was crafted the way it was. Even under the manager's amendment, there is a diminution of that possibility, and it would lead to absurd results. I'll give you an example. Under the manager's amendment, you could only apply for the residence if your abuser had been deported to the country where you are from. So a U visa is for 4 years. If your abuser is serving a 5-year sentence, you have to be deported, and then your abuser will come after you the next year. It's a stupid provision, unfortunately. I can't believe that that's the intended result. I know Ms. Adams is sincere, but that's what's in the bill, and that's why people object to the bill. That, among many other provisions that will endanger women and take us back from where we were. I think that when you take a look at not just the groups that support the Senate bill instead of this, but the groups that support this bill who embrace abusers, you know where you need to stand, and that's not with this bill, despite the sincerity of the author.